Good morning to my favorite fourth graders. I wanted to go on Google Classroom and remind you how to work out your problems and find your assignments for the next couple of weeks. Remember on Google Classroom, Miss Powell's color is math green. You will click on that if you are in Miss Powell's classroom to find your assignments. My class, Miss Thompson's homeroom class, is math purple, and Miss Fagan's homeroom class is math red. So you'll just click on that and you will find the Edge Elastic assignments that I created for you. I want to show you a few problems. So we are going to look at an Edge Elastic test. So let's look at this one. Is called 4th grade MBT 1 through 6B. So what I want you to do, let me go ahead and show you. You all have your math journal at home. So I want you to look at your math journal and make sure to write down all of your titles of each test that you take. So I'm going to show you an example. So at the top of your paper, you'll put 4th grade MBT 1 through 6B. That way we know which test you're taking. I'm going to show you 4 problems from 4th grade MBT 1 through 6B. Make sure you title each test. So first problem we're going to look at is problem number 17. Let me show you what that looks like. And I'll show you how to work that out to remind you how to do problems that we have done all year. So the first problem is number 17, and it says Michael is solving 23 times 42 using this rectangular array. What is the missing number Michael needs to solve this problem? So then I will make sure I write down this problem on my math journal and number it, number 17. So let's go back to my math journal. So number 17, so I would actually write down 23 times 42, and I would draw my window so that I can find that missing number. The missing number is here, so, and it has 800 here, 40 in this window, and 6. So we would put 42 in expanded form, 23 in expanded form, and then you say 4 times 2 is 8. Add your 2 zeros to make 800 because 40 times 20 is 800. 2 times 20, well, you can say 2 times 2 is 4. Add your 0, that is 40. And then to find this missing number, you would say 40 times 3, so we know a shortcut to do that is 44 times 3 is 12, and add your 0. So the missing number would be 120, so let's look back on the screen. And look for our choices. We have A is 12, B is 43, C is 70, D is 120. So we know the answer is D. So you would write that on your math journal. So the answer is D, 120 for that one. Okay, and then I'm going to do another problem. Let's go back to our Edge Elastic test. Number 21. 21 is a subtraction problem. It says solve the problem listed below, then type the answer in the given box. So I'm going to go back to my math journal because I have to work out all of my problems. I do not want to ever guess. So this is number 21. Make sure you keep your math journal organized. 21. It said 12,405 minus 5,382. 5 ones minus 2 ones is 3 ones. 0 minus 8 tens. You can't do that, so you have to borrow one from the hundreds place. So this 400 becomes 300, and now you can add that 100 here, so it makes it 10 tens, which equals 100. So 10 tens minus 8 tens is 2 tens. 300 minus 300 is 0. 2,000 minus 5,000 you cannot do, so you have to borrow from the 10,000. So this 1 10,000 becomes 0 10,000s, and then you can add that 10,000 to the 1,000. So that is now 12,000. 12,000 minus 5,000 is 7,000. So your answer is 7,023. So that's what you would